This one little smart Kubota tractor with tilling application on it and a seat. That's ideal, that thing. Don't need to walk behind it. Yeah. Lovebirds! Something wrong in that picture. Oops. Here's the price for it. 105,000 baht. Oh, brand new. They're going in there.
I think I was just buying that because I'm not sitting in your lap on that.
Get a two-seater. What are you doing here? Take photo. I'll have a walk round for now. Beetle bonnet. I've got here Vespers. There's one with a sidecar. And a Beetle. Van jobby. This will have some story to tell. I didn't realise how small they were. Ages since I've seen one. Way to Brighton. How'd you get in there?
Because it's a kidney.
Ended up in a food court. Mimi just ordered just the 2 dishes. It's quite a good size. I've ordered something I rarely ever eat. It's pad thai. Morning everyone. That last video where there's a lot of corrupted footage with it, so I thought I'd just add a little bit on with a chat. Since Sunday, and today's Friday, I've been suffering a bit with the old lurgy. Really bad chest. Flu-like symptoms, bronchitis, shite like that. Mimi's like, oh, going off to the hospital, go to the hospital. But I don't know, I don't like bothering doctors. Now, why don't I care about doctors, the NHS, anything like that? GP system especially. I was just on about that to my mate the other day. Well, I suppose it comes from the time when I was in the army. If you felt ill, you'd have to do something what was called sick parade. Now my first unit after I left training as a mechanic, my first detachment was with 165th Queen's Royal Lancers in Tidworth, Wiltshire. It's a large garrison town. They had a medical centre and it was roughly about a mile from where my barrack room was. But in those days you had to parade for sick parade, dressed in full number 2 uniform, and you had to take an overnight bag with you which had to contain pyjamas, washing, shaving kit, towel, all that kind of stuff. So it's basically, you didn't go sick unless you really needed to. Plus, over the years and what have you, in the army, you know, you learn medical skills, you learn to recognise symptoms and what have you. I've never really been sick. I've had injuries, but, you know, that's not a illness. And when I was discussing this, well, it was with AJ Pate Parai, I was talking to him the other day, and I left Thailand, and I never even brought my medical records or anything over with me, apart from all my x-rays and medical notes regarding injuries that I managed to get out of the army system, which I never passed on to my GP. My medical notes when I left the army were transferred to, passed on to my GP in the place where I lived. Now, I lived there for almost 10 years, so he had my notes and all that time. Anyway, so my GP has actually got my medical records still in his surgery, and I never bothered getting them when I left. The only time I ever saw him in all that period of time was when I was 45 years old and I needed a medical for my LGV Class 1 driving licence. And when I was in there, the GP says, oh, your cholesterol's a little bit high, I want to prescribe you statins. And I basically told him to put statins where the sun didn't shine. He didn't like it. I take care of myself, and like when I'm sick over here, I just buy the old medicines. Luckily I can get antibiotics over the table here, so if I feel like I've got bacterial infection, I'll buy the odd antibiotics, usually amoxicillin, which is a pretty good general one, but I haven't took anything this week because I didn't know if it was viral or a bacterial infection, and I just left my body to fight it. And it's Friday now, just about over it. Still got a little bit of a rattly chest. But I was out for the first time this morning with Rocky, went for a walk with him. Tried to do a little bit of running, but got shortness of breath. I thought, I'm not pushing it, no, I'm going to make myself worse. So anyway, that's what's been going on. Not a lot. So this is probably going to be my last video for a little while. I put a camera mount on my motorbike for my phone. I'm going to give that a go, see how it turns out. Worried about the noise, like wind noise, more than anything. But we'll see. Well, it's a lovely day. Got a nice cool breeze. I intend to go out on my bike. I'm going to scrub my tyres in a little bit more. So I went down to Surin for the elephant show, or the elephant breakfast on it, last Friday morning. I had Mimi on the back, so I was only with shorts and t-shirt. So I didn't scrub the tyre too much, but got a little bit of chicken strip to wear off. I've put my pannier carrier back on. Tyres felt different, but like I said, I didn't push it. So I'll upload this video, and then oh yeah, I'm gonna go for a haircut, getting a bit of a mop on again. That's it for now. Just see what I get up to over the next few days, I suppose. So bye bye from now. That's it. Catch you later. Thanks for all the comments, people, over the last few videos. I'll just keep plodding ahead with my channel, just showing real life as me and Mimi and my brother and whatever get on with things. Don't big myself up, no need to. See you later, bye bye.